This is the FCTO Daily Forex News Report for the 6th of August 2013. The Australian dollar recovered broadly after the Reserve Bank of Australia cut rates by another 25 base points, as widely expected, to 2.5% today. The statement was a bit less dovish than the prior one and was more neutral. The Reserve Bank dropped the phrase, "the inflation outlook provided scope for further easing." Instead, the central bank noted that it will continue to assess the outlook and adjust policy as needed. Regarding the economy, the central bank noted that growth was a bit below trend over the past year. Inflation is expected to remain consistent with the medium-term target over the next 1 to 2 years. It's expected recent rate cuts to have further effects over time. Meanwhile, the statement also noted while the Australian dollar has depreciated by around 15% since early April, further depreciation is possible. Overall, the statement didn't suggest further easing, and the decision would be data dependent in near term. Also released from Australia, house price index rose 2.4% quarter-on-quarter in Q2, the highest number since the first quarter of 2010. Also, that's much stronger than expectation of 1%. Q1's figure was also revised up from 0.1% to 0.8% quarter-on-quarter. Trade surplus came in narrower than expected at 602 million Australian dollars in June. In the US, Dallas Fed Fisher said that the Fed should start tapering the asset purchases in September unless we see some disturbing data. And with the unemployment rate now down to 7.4%, the committee is now closer to execution mode. Fisher noted that the Fed now owns a significant slice of treasuries and mortgage-backed securities, which is around 20% and 25% respectively, and it's something of a Gordian knot. And he said when the time comes, the Fed must carefully remove the program's pole pin and gingerly unwind it so as not to prompt market havoc. Looking ahead, UK industrial manufacturing production will be released in the European session. Italian GDP will be a major focus and is expected to contract 0.4% quarter-on-quarter in Q2. Canada and the US will both release trade balance data. For all the news affecting the Forex market throughout the day, join us at forexcurrencytradingonline.co.uk. That's forexcurrencytradingonline.co.uk.